Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
I don't know where this goes, but...
That goes in. Holy cow, that was rough. Your email.
I was just on my way to Summerland. After all, I am a big professor down here, you know.
It's a big kahuna. What's your email?
I like to keep to oh, you're right, because that was one thing.
Good. Yeah. And speaking of good, I was just making a list and making it right.
I'm going to keep for it.
Been very nice. Keep up the good work. I'll be seeing you again.
My email. Joey.
Hey, I have a bite. Good spot. A hook shot, if I ever saw one.
You're never gonna figure out your email.
There you go. What's your email? What's her email?
Please, what's your email?
What's your quote?
I must say, that was an excellent fight for such a warm day. Wouldn't you say so, Frosty?
Oh, Frosty loves it. Wow, that was authority. And her email is?
It may be clammy here in Florida, but you still made a great fight. Hope you had a whole lot of fun.
Got hold of one.
Yeah, alright. That was Florida Mini Golf. Mom wins. Mom's the big winner again.
Bye.